right. And be quick about it.
Ordinarily, I hate yielding to extortion, but I have to admit I got charmed by the sheer spunk of that oil burger. Where'd you put the cheese, Max?
Gosh, it was hours ago. You know I have the memory of a dried trout.
Sadly, yes I do. Well, it's gotta be somewhere in this room. Nobody ever leaves us messages anymore. Remember our motorcycle trip through the Midwest?
Just you, me, and the authorities from 7 states. But those were quieter times.
I think Hubert could use some water, Max.
I'm training him to fetch it himself.
Remember our trip to the moon, Max?
Like cottage cheese through a strainer, Sam.
You continue to baffle me, little pal. One of these days we're gonna finish that game.
I'm still working on getting the rest of the darts from the police impound.
Tempting sometimes, but I've become fond of the little guy. Hello, Mr. Spatula. How's the weather in there? Where's the rest of the news collection, Max?
It's a surprise.
This might come in handy.
Don't do that again.
Good old Lou.
Who's Lou again?
The bowling ball, of course. Hey, Max.
What is it, Sam?
You sure you don't remember where you put that cheese, little buddy?
Sheesh, you'd think I'd forgotten my pants or something. It's here in the office someplace.
What do you think that was on the phone?
Oh, maybe it was the governor calling about my plan to secede from the Union.
I wish we had missed that call. It might have been the commissioner calling with a case.
Yeah, hey, or maybe it was the president about my idea to do daylight savings time in 5-minute increments.
Oh, I feel so all alone. Because some crook has swiped my phone. Rodent, oh, rodent, son, no. Where's my banjo, Max?
I've hidden it for the good of society.
Does that feel drafty to you?
Hey, you're the one with clothes on.
Do you ever wonder what life would be like if we were buds?
Short, I hope. Although I've always wanted to have more arms.
Some days I can feel the atmosphere pushing on my head like a giant thumb.
Some days I hide weights in your hat to see if you'll notice.
Let's get to work.
I couldn't agree more.
We should have Jesse James's hand appraised one of these days.
I bet it's especially valuable because it's autographed.
When I got this thing, I thought it would be useful.
Where else would we keep the pieces of paper that we're never going to look at again?
20 years' worth of electric bills take up a surprising amount of space. No comment. "2002 was a great year for calendars.
I'm glad we stocked up. We've been going through them at a rate of about one a year since then.
They say graffiti is the poetry of our time.
Just what we need. More lame poetry.
Last month's donuts.
Don't throw that out. I'm saving it for a science experiment.
You bet, little buddy.
Life troubling your digestion? Your reality blocking your passages? Expel your troubles with Emetics, the handbook for multicolored happiness, and separate your bliss.
Hey, that's that personal color spectrum book.
Self-help for the helplessly selfish.
Perfect. I'll take 2.
My bowling ball has Lou engraved on it. boxing glove is just the thing for Miles on a crisp evening. Max, you ever hear the term tough love?
It's the only kind of love I know.
Yoo-hoo, tiny hoodlums.
Leave the cheese by the hole.
Ah,
Oh, there it is.
unfortunately, this is not Swiss cheese.
So what?
So, the rap was very specific about wanting Swiss cheese in particular. Take that, you law-breaking dairy product.
Sam, no! The cheese was innocent!
Innocent? I think not. Voila, Swiss cheese. Well, close enough to fool a casual observer, anyway.
Don't say voila.
Yoo-hoo, tiny hoodlums.
Leave the cheese by the hole. Greetings. The members of the Benevolent Brotherhood of Mermaid would like to thank you for your offer.
The members of Sam and Max would like their phone back now.
If you don't mind.
I regret to inform you the situation has changed, and I am unable to comply with your request. A list of additional demands for the return of the phone is as follows.
Now, let's discuss this calmly.
Let's debone the smarmy little skis and see if the phone's in there.
I ain't talking coppers. Jimmy Toothy ain't no rat. Well, I ain't talking.
We met your demands, we got you the cheese. Any honorable rogue would hold up his end of the bargain and give back our phone.
Us Rubbins is not known for being particularly honorable.
We'll go half easy on you if you just cough up the phone.
Yeah, never happened, Nick.
Help me help you, Jimmy.
What the heck is that supposed to mean?
I have no idea, but it always sounds good on TV. Look, I want to help you, but my partner is a little unhinged. I'm afraid I may be unable to keep him from harming you in some colorfully gruesome fashion.
Let me at him, Sam.
I can take care of this.
Maybe you'd like it if we played you some music. How about Cat Stevens?
Fine. Jimmy Toothy ain't afraid of no cats. Hey, Dogface, your partner's giving me a headache.
I'm thinking about stuffing a light bulb down your throat, Bert.
Go ahead. I've been a little... Can I go now?
I'm about ready to wring your scrawny, trash-eating neck.
You think you're scary?
You don't know where his hands have been.
More than I last washed them.
Who cares? I'm a rat, remember? Amateur.
Hand over the phone or I'll make you lick my German-crusted palms.
Yeah, I've licked worse.
Like what?
You don't even want to know. Hey, Dogface, your partner's giving me a headache.
Maybe I'll lock you in our file cabinet.
So,
In 3 separate drawers.
you bore me. Can I go now?
Let me pry open his skull and look for a conscience, Sam.
Yeah, I'm shaking like bacon here. Amateur.
Ever had your peeled epidermis inflated like a party balloon?
Kid stuff. Hey, Dogface, your partner's giving me a headache.
You mentioned a headache. Would you like some aspirin? Oh, and while I'm at it, is there anything else I can do to make you comfortable? Are you thirsty, perhaps? Life's too bright?
Well, that's sporting of you. Now you mention it, I really don't like being up here so high. I got me a thing about heights that make me nervous, you know?
Oh, really? Don't like heights, eh? How'd you like it if I dangled your greasy hide out the window?
Hey, you would... Wait,
I warn you, I'm known for my fuzzy white butterfingers.
It's true. You You should see him trying to tie an ascot.
All right, have mercy.
I've had mercy. It was unpleasantly gooey. Felt like things that had fallen onto pavement from a great height.
I give up. Take your phone and let me go.
For the love of... I wish I could unsee that. Hello? Yes? Great gouts of steaming magma on a beeline for the orphanage. We're on our way.
Yeah! Ow!
Where's the rat?
I let him go. Who was on the phone?
It was the commissioner, Max. Multiple reports of malfeasance in the neighborhood.
Oh, joy! That's my second favorite nuisance.
Idiot. We've got to get down to the corner store right away. Lovely weather we're having, isn't it?
So balmy and sulfurous, it makes me want to feed expired food products to stray animals and homeless people.
And like a watermelon and a heart to match. That's my pal. Do you remember when they filmed Corkscrew Psychopath 3 here?
That was a film? Boy, that explains a lot.
I think I stepped in part of the city.
Hopefully it was one of the